Here I have XIAOMI 12T, and today I'm going to show you how to activate audio control in camera on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, tap on three stripes here and select voice shutter. So like now you can say cheese to take a photo. So let's try this feature out. So as you can see, I already said cheese and it took photo. I didn't made it on purpose because I didn't raise my voice, I just said cheese with my normal voice loudness, and it worked perfectly. So let's take it once again. Cheese. And as you can see, it's registers every cheese that I say. Works just perfectly for me. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.